Hey Kodos, what's up? Hope you're doing great. First and foremost thing, thank you so much for 1K subscribers for being Pro Kodos channel. It's all because of your support for my consistent efforts. Soon I will be coming live to solve all your doubts regarding next wave placements, freelancing, interview preparation, and tech stack to learn. I will be consistent from now in posting more videos on freelancing and ways to learn passive income and consistent on coding and creating a playlist on JavaScript as well as React.js. So stay tuned for updates and share my channel with your friends and ask them to subscribe. Let's go. So in this video, I will be covering the top YouTube channels that we need to go through for learning all these technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, SQL, Power BI, and Node and Express. Starting with the Bro Code channel. So I will be following this channel for my HTML and CSS preparation. So he had shared HTML and CSS tutorial for beginners. Here we can able to see each video had recorded with 4 to 5 minutes, and he had covered all the topics starting with HTML, all the tags, coming to CSS, about the overflow of the CSS and box model, and the display properties, height and width, positions, drop down, and so on. So I thought it would be a great channel to go through for HTML and CSS. Coming to the next channel, which is Shraddha Kapra's channel. As we all know, it is a very viral channel on Apna College. We had opened our own channel. So here we can learn about JavaScript. The JavaScript playlist. He had structured JavaScript in a very proper way with covering all the topics from starting from operators, arrays, functions, the tic-tac-toe game as well, and the events. And each video is covered with 1.5 hour. So I will not recommend 1 hour videos of length. So, but coming to her explanation, it is very good. And next we can cover all the events and event listeners and handlers and a class and objects. So it's better to watch this playlist for learning JavaScript. And coming to JavaScript, we have another channel which is Akshay Sainis. As we all know, he had created the Namaste JavaScript series with the season 1 and season 2. I hope you have already finished this playlist. So there are 20 plus videos on each season, so you can go through for all the fundamental topics on JavaScript. There is also season 2. You can check all the important topics like promises, callback cell, and the APIs, async and await, and the format of this keyword. We can be using this keyword in lot of functions. This will be work in a different way. So coming to next topic, which is Java. So for Java, we can refer for Telsuko channel, the playlist as Java 12 hours with a Springboard, this one, and Java full course tutorial for beginners. There he had covered 3+ sessions by covering all the topics in Java. Logical operators, data types, switch statements, and so on. There are 107 videos in this particular playlist, so you can go through all those videos. Coming to Java, we also have a Apna College channel. It is a very well-known channel, as you are be familiar with. For this, you can check the Java and placement series, Java and DSA placement series. So she had covered all the channels, including all the topics, including DSA, like backtracking, sorting, all the algorithms, and array list, recursion, and all the starting with the basic concepts from Java till the backtracking and dynamic programming as well, hash map, graph, and algorithms and data structures. In this channel only we can also check SQL series as well. Oops, recursion trees. Thereafter we can go check with the Code with Harry channel. As we all know, he is also a great YouTuber with 7.26 million subscribers. So he had featured all the programming languages, but my favorite is Python 100 days challenge. So I have gone through all the topics in this Python playlist. So you can also check this for Python. Coming to Power BI, for learning Power BI for data analyst or data science roles. He's the best. This is the best channel we can go through for Power BI learning. He had featured Power BI with the tutorials. I will be sharing all the playlist links in my description. No need to worry. This is the Power BI playlist I have gone through. It is posted 2 years back. So next, coming to React, we can check out the WS Cube Tech channel. What is React.js and the entire playlist of React.js from beginner to advanced level. You can check this playlist for learning React. They have posted recently, which is of 8 months back. And they also have all the freelancing stuff by learning how to get started with the freelancing. And recently they have added the new video on how to get the projects for freelancing and web development. You can refer this channel for all particular tech stacks and freelancing videos. Coming to Node and Express, we have another channel like Piyush Gar. He had featured Node.js very proper way, like mastering the Node.js. So you can check this playlist to learn about the backend, Node and Express. He had posted this video 2 years ago. This is the best channel to learn the Node.js and getting started with the backend. And one more, this is a free code camp channel, which is of a famous and viral tech teaching channel. So they have covered all the videos regarding all the tech stacks like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Django, Vue.js, and JavaScript as well. So they will be covering all the videos, but the only drawback is they will be using lengthy videos for more than 2 and 2.5 hours. So we'll be wasted all the time on a one coding skill or a one coding concept. So I'll be preferring very short length videos to go through for each and every concept. It is a better practice to learning. And concepts and coding by Shreyansh. He also started as a system design, so high level and low level designs. He had two playlists for low level and high level basics. So you can refer for the system design playlist. But last but not least, how we can forget our Take You Forward channel. is the master of creating the data structures and algorithms playlist driver. So here they teach all the data structures and algorithms. You can check its channel for DSA playlist. Thanks for watching. You can check all the playlist videos in the description. See you in the next video.